Hello friends, how are you all? So welcome to my channel Funny Maths, and today is a second video of our channel, and in today's video we will be seeing how to multiply two-digit numbers so that and we'll see some methods so that you know you do not have to it won't take much of the time to multiply two-digit numbers, and it will be easier for you to multiply these two-digit numbers. Okay. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि कैसे दो डिजिट्स टू डिजिट नंबर्स को हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. होपफुली अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो मैं उस वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा मैं, सो यू कैन फाइंड इट फ्रॉम देयर. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ टू डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो जैसा कि पिछले वीडियो में देखा था, टू डिजिट एडिशन में हम लोगों ने पहले ट्राई किया था ऐसे दो डिजिट को ऐड करने के लिए जिसके यूनिट्स प्लेस में जीरो है. सो हियर आल्सो वी विल स्टार्ट with those numbers which has zero in their units place. So let's take an example of a 10. Okay, so let's multiply 10. If what just a second, we will try to multiply 10 multiply 10. Okay, so in addition we had seen, okay, when जब हम ये दो नंबर को ऐड कर रहे थे तो हमने देखा था हम क्या कर रहे थे, यूनिट्स प्लेस में पहले देखते थे कि क्या है. यूनिट्स प्लेस में जीरो है, दोनों ही टू डिजिट में यूनिट्स प्लेस पे जीरो है, एंड जीरो प्लस जीरो क्या वहां पर हो जा रहा था, जीरो आ रहा था, राइट. एंड वन प्लस वन टू हो जा रहा था, तो 10 + 10 20 हो रहा था. लेकिन अब ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में रूल्स अलग हैं. तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में भी सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि यूनिट्स प्लेस पे क्या है. तो यूनिट्स प्लेस पे है जीरो, एंड दूसरे डिजिट के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे भी जीरो है. So total how many zeros we have? Total how many zeros we have here? We have two zeros. So we have two zeros, then we will simply write here two zeros first of all. Two zeros like this. And then what we have in the tens place, and the tens place we have 1 and 1. So 1 multiply 1 is 1. So 100. So like this. Okay. So you don't need to remember, you don't need to learn by heart everything. Okay, all the tables. If any digit which has a zero in the units place, okay, those are very easy to know and to find what will be the answer. So like this you can find it out, that what will be the answer if there are two digit numbers are there and there is a zero in the units place. Okay, so let's take an example of another two digit number which has a zero in its units place. So let's take an example of 20 multiply 20. Okay, so in the units place we have 0 and 0, so two zeros we have, so we will simply put 2 0 first here, and then 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2, so 4. So 20 multiply 20 is equal to 400. Okay, let's take another example, 50. Okay, multiply 40. Okay, once again we have 1 0 and 2 0. Okay, so we will write 2 0 here, and 5 multiply 4 is 20, so we will write 20. So like this, so 50 multiply 40 will be 2000. Okay, we'll also take an example, we can take because we can also take an example of a three-digit number here, where in the units place we have a 0, okay, or tens place, okay, in the units place as well as in the tens place we have 0. For example, like this, let's take an example. We want to multiply 100 multiply 100. Now what will be the answer? Okay, so in the units place we have 0, in the tens place also we have 0, here also in the units place we have 0, and in the tens place we have 0. So total how many zeros we have? Total we have 4 zeros. So first of all we will write all zeros here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4 zeros, and then 1 multiply 1. So this will be the answer. 100 multiply 100 is equal to 10,000. Okay, is equal to 10,000, right? Similarly, 200 multiply 200. Okay, so once again we have 4 zeros. So here 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So 40,000. Okay, we will try one more pattern. So let's say the number is like this. Okay, one is two digit, one is three digit, like this 100, and another is two digit. Okay, so always remember when it's a multiply. Okay, you just need to check that how many numbers, okay, you have on the right hand side. On the right hand side, okay, it means in the units place and the tens place. Okay, so here in the units place we have 1 0, and then here units place and tens place we have 2 0. So total zeros, how many zeros we have? We have 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, and then 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2000. Okay, now always remember, okay, this zeros, okay, what we have written is always on the right hand side. Okay, there should not be any number after 0. Let's say number is like this, 102, okay, and multiply 20. Okay, if it is like this, then you cannot simply count the number of zeros and write it like this. Okay, like we have written in a previous examples. Okay, this will be wrong. Okay, always all the zeros should be on the right hand side. Okay, and there should not be any non-zero numbers after 0, like this is a non-zero number. Okay, this is a number 2 which is coming after 0. So if any number is after 0, then the rules which we were applying in the previous example is not going to fit, right? So we cannot apply our trick, okay, to these numbers. Okay, to these numbers we have a different method to multiply these numbers. We'll see in our another video. Okay, but for now just remember, if there is a 0 in the units place, how two digit number, three digit numbers, okay, can be multiplied. Okay, 100 multiply 20. Okay, so like this. So this was one of the way where to multiply the numbers easily, where we have zeros, all the zeros on the right hand side. Okay, in the units place and the tens place. Now we will see how to multiply two digit numbers, or any means two digit numbers which is non-zero and non-zero numbers. Okay, so let's first of all clear this. Okay, now in our classes, okay, you have seen that if you want to multiply two digit numbers, how we usually do. Let's quickly take an example and then we'll see that how differently we are doing and what we are what how differently we are doing, okay, in our tricks. So in our schools we have seen, let's say there is a number, okay, we have to multiply, that is 25 multiply 25, okay. So how we normally multiply? Like this. First of all, we multiply 5, 5 and 5. So 5 multiply 5, 25. So 5 will be here, 2 will be carry. Okay. Then 5 multiplied 2. 5 2 is a 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So here we'll get 125. Okay. And then we will multiply the above number with this number 2. So 2 multiply 5, 2 5 is a 10, okay, and 0 carry 1, and then 2 2 0 4 plus 1 5, okay. So answer will be 5, 2 and 6, okay. Now the example we are going to see, okay, the trick which we are going to apply, you know, we we won't have to, you know, there are two places where we have written this number, okay. First of all, we have multiplied and we have got numbers like in the first row, and then we have got some numbers in the second row, and then after adding these numbers in these two rows, okay, we have got answer like this, okay. So in our trick, when we will be doing some multiplication, okay, all the answers will directly come in this row, okay, and we won't need this thing, and we won't need all this, all right, or we will directly get our answer here, okay. So how that will happen, okay, we will quickly see. So let's say the same number we have to multiply. Okay, let's say we have to multiply 2, 5, 2 and 5. Now we want to multiply. And now we'll see, okay, how we'll do. So first of all, okay, what we have to do is we have to multiply 5 and 5. Okay, this will be multiplied. Okay, and then what will be what will be, okay, so first 5 and 5, okay, will be multiplied. So let's first of all let's multiply 5 and 5. So 5 and 5 will be 25, right? So we will write 5 and carry will be 2, right? Now what will multiply? Now we will multiply these two numbers, okay. 2 and 5 with 2 and 5 will be multiplied, and these two number will be multiplied. 2 will be multiplied with 5 and 2 will be multiplied with 5, okay. And then whatever the number we will get will be added, okay. That number will be added. So it will be like this: 2 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 5, okay. So what will get? 2 multiply 5 10, 2 multiply 5 10, 10 plus 10 20, and we have carry 2. So 10 20 plus 2 2. So here we'll get 2. Here we are going to get 2. All right. Now, yeah, just a second here. Okay, this is done. 5 5 25 here 2, and then 2 5 10 10 22. Okay, so here we got 2. Okay, 22. Here we got 22. So here we will write 2, and then once again the carry will be number 2. Carry will be number 2 once again. Okay. Now, what we have to do now, once again we have to multiply this. Okay, this will be multiplied. So 2 multiplied 2 is 4, and then carry, how much was carry? 2. So 2 multiplied 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So answer will be 6. See, so you got the answer. Okay, here we were doing these additional steps. Okay, these additional steps we were doing to get this number, right? But here we have directly got this number 625 at first place. Okay, so always you would need to remember the trick. Okay, we will just repeat once again that what we just did. So first we multiplied, okay, 5, this the number we have here. Okay, well, first we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, and then whatever the number we receive here. Okay, so 5 multiply 5, 25. So 5 will come over here and the carry will be 2. Okay, and then we'll multiply 2, cross multiply, we'll multiply these two numbers. 2 and 5 will be multiplied, 5 and 2 will be multiplied, and then whatever the numbers will get, okay, will be added. So 2 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 5, 10 plus 10, 20. Carry was 2. So 20 plus 2, 2. So here we wrote 2, and then once again carry 2, and then 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So that is how we got 625. We will try to multiply one another number, okay, and we'll see how it works. So we will try some bigger number this time. Okay, let's say we take 37, okay, multiply 29. Okay, so first we have to multiply these two. So 9 7 ja 63. 9 7 ja 63. We will write 3 here, and carry will be 6. Then we will multiply 9 with 3 and 2 with 7. So 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 3s are 27. I am just writing for you, okay, so that you understand. Once you understand, you can also memorize it, okay, in your mind, and do it, you know, uh, do it on your own. So what we did, 9 3 ja 27, we wrote 27, and then 2 7 ja 14. So 27 plus 14. Okay, so 27 plus 14, how much it will be? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, so we got 41, and then there was a number, okay, 6 in the which was in carry. So 41 plus 6, 47. So we will write 7 here, and then once again the carry will be 4, and then 2 3 is a 6, and 6 plus 4 carry 10. So answer will be 1073. Okay, so isn't this method easier than the previous method? Okay, always remember that you have to practice it, and you know, if you are not good in, you know, and if you don't remember the tables, okay, of between 1 to 10, then it is not going to be easy for those guys. Okay, tables between 1 to 10 should be learned by heart. Okay, don't try, there is no any easy trick for that. Okay, you have to learn by heart. Okay, so just learn by heart the table between 1 to 10, and then rest of the thing will be easier for you. Okay, it should be, when you are learning it by heart, okay, you need to be, you have to be very quick. Let's say someone asks you, okay, that what is 7 multiply 5, so 35. So you should get the number right away. You should tell the number right away. So let's practice it like this: 9 fives are 45, 7 fives are 35, 6 8 are 48, 7 9 are 63, 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 72, 9 9 are 81. So it should be instantly. Okay, you should get the numbers. You should know the what the outcome, and okay, what will be the answer very quickly. All right, so once you practice like it, then all these tricks, okay, which we are trying here, it will be easier for you as well. Okay, and see, the 27 plus 14, okay, if you go and watch my previous video of addition, okay, you will see that how what method we can apply. Let's say if you find it difficult to add this number, what how I added it. Okay, how I added it: first I did 20 plus 7 in my mind, and then 10 plus 4 in my mind. Now it was easier to add these two numbers, 20 plus 10, 30, right? And then this was also easy to add 7 plus 4, 11, and then 30 plus 11, 41. So if you directly, if numbers are like this and if you are finding it difficult, okay, this is what will be the answer, you can do like this. Okay, so simply just see, if 20 is 27 and 14, so this is actually more than 20 and less than 30. So we can say first just add 20 and 10. So 20 and 10 is 30. Then what are the numbers left? 7 and 4, 7 and 4, 11. So 30 plus 11 will be 41. Okay, so like this. So uh, this was the video for two-digit multiplication. Okay, in the next video we will see three-digit multiplication and the four-digit multiplication as well. There are little differences, but the basic idea is like this only. Okay, that we have to do cross multiplication and we will get the answer. Okay, those are also very helpful. So let's that's it for today. Okay, let's I will get the next video, okay, for three digit and four digit multiplication, and we'll see you then. So thank you guys, thank you for your time, and have a nice day.